list is. I think they've deleted the list. Oh no. Gloves, earplugs, casual boots, and a leather jacket.
All right. Well, I think there's some overlap, wasn't there? Did you want a casual jacket or casual boots and a?
I quite like a leather jacket.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll just try today.
Try before you buy.
I definitely need some gloves, and I definitely need earplugs. They're the definites.
Well, I think we go to that ultimate ear and get moulded.
Ear molds. I've even washed my ears out.
Wow. What a treat.
I put some moisturiser in them as well, so that they were light.
I hope they won't be too greasy.
That's a nice way of putting it. It is just a little bit. But hey.
He's pretty much having to hold this full throttle as he gets off the line, and full power arrives pretty much to the point where he needs to shut off. So if he holds on too long, he'll suddenly surge at the point where he needs not to. And of course there are the old brakes as well. There he goes.